Alright, so we are in the Pantai Muaya in Jimbaran, close by the Four Seasons area. That's a kind of local place. So many seafood restaurants and small warungs.
Okay, so I just finished working today early, and then I decided to go to Pantai Jimbaran, Pantai Muaya area. It's not like in a fish market, but yeah, it's just close by the Four Seasons. And yeah, let's have a chill.
Let's have a chill. Maybe some fish on the beach, something like that. We will see. It's very nice weather, which is not so bad. Low tide, I can already see. Not so busy. Very nice. So we just arrived and almost everybody in these warungs and these warungs, they are looking at us like I'm the celebrity or somebody, which is not so bad. Actually, well, at least the feeling is like that when everybody wave to you. But the first impression, beach is so clean and so nice, so wide. Wow, that's cool. I was here many times, but I was always busier than today. But the difference is the beach is so beautiful. Can you imagine that's in Jimbaran? So wide, nice. So there, where is Winnie coming? There are some cafe restaurants where you can have a seafood or fish. Probably we're gonna have a dinner. And here they are mostly small warungs when usually people enjoying some beers like this fellas over there or coconut. And there is the Four Seasons. I think I don't need to explain to anyone what is the kind of Four Seasons hotels. Let's look. Oh, Saya, you look so beautiful today, honey. Yes, you're welcome.
Those are the famous seafood restaurant here in this area.
Yeah, that's what I'm actually saying.
And
That's
then
nice.
we will walk heading to the Intercontinental Hotel.
Oh yeah, Intercontinental Hotel is there, and here is the Chinese corn seller. I mean, he have a Chinese flag. He's not Chinese, obviously. I think so. That's how it is. Peaceful life in Bali. And there is the airport. I mean, there. And there is the fish market where we was also many times. So here is the Intercontinental Hotel, also quite famous hotel, especially long time ago when was not so many hotels in Bali, already like 30 years old or maybe older. Very nice, very big. It's actually huge, taking a lot of space in Jimbaran. I hear it's open, however, like you see some kind of fences here. I don't know if they are fenced normally like that or they are closed. Sayang, how do you feel after work today, honey?
So tiring as usual. So,
Tiring?
yeah, then I decided just to have a chill by the beach.
Always good to have a chill on the beach, right?
Yeah.
Quite sad thing about this place is that every restaurant here is open. However, not so many guests inside. I could say over there they are just workers sitting. Here is totally nobody. Waiters, and here is only one table, somebody sitting like one lovely couple, and I think that's it. So that's kinda sad. Even the corn guy looks sad. Okay, there are some tourists over here, definitely. Which is not so bad. It's the positive sign. And there is the warung, like I said, people chilling, having radler, bintang, or any other drink. And maybe we're gonna have some drinks also, because it's a bit hot in Bali, as you can imagine, right, honey?
Yeah.
You wanna have coconut or something? I will don't mind if they have a radler or something here. And Doggo is here. Not so bad. Not so bad. Alright. Yo, what's up, my friend? I have a radler here, Doggo next to me, Sayang also. And yeah, we will chill a little bit. Yes, honey? What do you think?
Yeah, it's still very hot.
Very hot. Sayang and her kelapa, which is coconut. Not so bad. Sayang start eating and drinking healthy food. Yes, honey? That's good. That's how it looks, beach situation. Doggo walking, people walking. Peaceful life. Jimbaran right now is a little bit like a Canggu. So many maybe older generations of people coming to Jimbaran to enjoy the slow life. Maybe
Yes, yeah, just like behind us, we see that quite many expats. And then I think that they are mostly hired expats who live here.
or maybe they just take a break from their life and escape to Bali for chill few months or something like that. Canggu is definitely too loud and too busy for them, but Jimbaran, as you see, is so peaceful life here and so bad place for chill. Yes, honey? What do you think? Yo, what's up? Doggo and the owner. Also, I found some information about the travel bubble between Singapore and Hong Kong. I just posted this on our Instagram for somebody who follow us on Instagram. On Instagram, you know already. And yeah, I know it's Singapore, Hong Kong, but that's a good sign. This is something going on in the world, something positive. Maybe some travel bubbles between Singapore and Bali, or maybe Australia and Bali.
We heard about that actually. That I think that Singapore Air will gonna open like 2 times a week between Singapore and Bali.
Yeah,
and
starting
so
next
Singaporean
month.
business, I mean, Singaporean who has a business in Bali or Indonesia and vice versa, they can travel soon.
Yeah, so hopefully something will happen and will be more people in Bali. Now it's already sunset time, just 20 minutes to sunset. As you see, little bit more people come around. Many expats also. That's probably the time when people are coming. Also some the seafood restaurants also become more busier, at least little bit. In general, yeah, still very quiet, but definitely some life. Beautiful sunset just in 15 minutes, maybe even. Now the sunset is about 6:15. It's changing time to time. We are chilling today in this warung. If you're interested about the name, where's Winnie sitting? That's the peaceful life in Jimbaran. Also today is a slow tide. It's nice to walk. Some kids playing at the front. We're gonna go into sun direction. It's actually very nice, beautiful sunset, sound of the ocean. Some kids playing around. Really nice vibes in Jimbaran. Many people just know Jimbaran from the fish market and eating seafood, which is, yeah, this is the most famous. Jimbaran is the most famous about that. However, they also have a beautiful beach and beautiful sunset. Also very family friendly, kids friendly place. Sometimes people asking us where is the best place to stay with the family. Maybe in Jimbaran. However, it's quite difficult with the accommodation. I mean, not big selection. However, as you see, definitely is nice place to stay here actually. Chilling. So many kids around and families. It's definitely, if you are coming with kids, it's definitely Jimbaran better option than Canggu, I think. However, in Canggu also so many families with kids, so basically in Bali everywhere is a good place to come with kids. Everywhere is safe. Enjoy the sunset. So beautiful. Quickly I'm gonna show you 360 degree how is the look vibe here in Jimbaran. It's really not so bad. If you are looking for a peaceful vibe, definitely worth it. Definitely, and the sunset is so beautiful. How are you, sayang? Chilling?
Enjoy your time.
Oh yeah, what a beautiful sunset.
Look at the sky here.
So cool. Well, that's our dinner with the view.
I know that Jimbaran is famous for the seafood, like ikan bakar, every single thing about seafood. But here now we are in Jimbaran, we order mie goreng and club sandwich.
I know, it looks funny little bit.
Well, it has been a week that I didn't eat like mie goreng or something like that. So yeah, I'm so craving for that.
Smacznego. Check out the sky color right now. It's already half hour of the sunset. There are lights, there are seafood restaurants, and that's our place.
Alright, I think that's all our video today, guys, from Jimbaran. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Take care, guys.